First of all, I'm really thankful to Ma'am Zahra for inviting me into this wonderful science exhibition. I have seen your models, and mashallah, all the models are designed very well, very skillfully, and the way you explained is really impressive. And I really hope that, inshallah, it will go for a long way. These concepts will go for a long way, and these will be very helpful for your studies. आप लोगों के मॉडल्स बहुत ज़बरदस्त हैं, और आपने जिस तरह एक्सप्लेन किया है ये भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त था। चंद एक चीज़ें ऐसी हैं इंशाल्लाह जो अभी ये और मेहमान भी आए हैं बैठ के, तो आपकी मैम से डिस्कस करेंगे। आप लोगों ने बड़ी अच्छी काविश की है, जगह भी कम है, बहुत थोड़ा सा कंजस्टेड लग रहा है, लेकिन यही अवेलेबल है जगह आपके पास, तो जो भी रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल है उनके अंदर रहते हुए माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा काम किया। आपकी जितने लोगों ने भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया, बच्चों को हेल्प किया, टीचर्स ने, सबको अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ। बड़ी अच्छी काविश है और बड़ी खुशी है हमें यहाँ आके, और उम्मीद है इंशाल्लाह आप लोग इसी तरह मेहनत करते रहेंगे और आइंदा भी इस तरह की साइंस एग्जीबिशन का इनेकाद आप लोग करेंगे। जज़ाकल्लाह खैरन। Digestive system.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sabiha. I am from 7th class. Today I will explain the project of digestive system. The digestive system starts from the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva.
The food then moves to the stomach, where it is broken down further.
Nutrient are absorbed in the small
From
intestine.
where the food moved to the stomach? The food pipe?
Yes.
Okay.
Nutrient are absorbed in the small intestine and give us energy. Finally, waste is removed from the body through the large intestine.
The digestive system helps to keep our body healthy and strong.
So how many systems do we have in our body? Other than digestive system?
Respiratory system.
7 or 8?
No, 7th.
7 है? अच्छा माशाल्लाह। Well done बेटे, अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा, well explained, शाबाश, well done.
My name is Shikha.
Parts of a plant, okay.
Today I will explain the
How many parts are there?
5
So explain the roots. Roots का बता दो।
Roots taking water and minerals from the soil.
हाँ ठीक है, very good.
Flower have the plants like plants. Leaf make food, and stem grows into our new plant.
माशाल्लाह, very good. जी बेटे।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Faika from class 8 and I am here from class 8. I will explain the hydraulic press. A hydraulic press works on the principles of pressure in liquid. When force is applied into smaller piston, the liquid transfers this pressure to larger piston.
Okay.
This creates a much greater force which helps to lift or heavy pressing objects. Now, Meera. Assalamualaikum. I have created this model using everyday material like wooden sticks and syringe. The syringes act as a piston filled with liquid to demonstrate the Pascal's law. When a force is applied to the syringe, the water is transmitted to the other syringe and lifting the load. This model showcases the power of hydraulic system where a small force can generate a larger force, making it a small act of step. Hydraulic presses are used in factories, car lifting and heavy machines. Thank you.
In our daily life.
Yes.
So car lifting.
In our garage factories.
Right. So is the hydraulic system being used? Have you seen it somewhere?
Yes.
आपने देखा कि हमारे यहाँ इस्तेमाल हो रहा है? Sure. तो घर में भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं? नहीं? हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अगर कहीं मूव करना हो घर में? नहीं? अच्छा माशाल्लाह।
It is used to carry more heavy projects.
You need proper place for it. अच्छा माशाल्लाह, very good, well explained बेटे।
Everything around it, from the hydrogen in our body to the oxygen in the air we breathe, every element has its own special place. Our cardboard model represents the table to life with each boxes represent an element to unique characteristics and properties. From metals to non-metals, noble gases to halogens, our project showcases the diversity and complexity of all the elements. We have used colors, design, and creativity to make our periodic table more accessible and engaging. We hope our project inspires you to explore the wonders of chemistry. So take a journey with us through the periodic table and discover the magic of the elements. Thank you for visiting our project.
माशाल्लाह, well done. Very good, well done. माशाल्लाह.
Assalamualaikum.
जी बेटे।
My name is Aisha. My name is Naya. And my name is Khadija. We are from class pre-9. Today we are going to describe our project that is stem cell. In sexually reproducing organism, all the different types of cells arise from a single zygote. A zygote is unspecialized cell that have ability to make new cell which can differentiate into specialized cell that is called stem cell. Zygote produces different types of cell like gametes, red blood cell, fat cell, epithelial cell, muscle cell, and nerve cell. Stem cell also remain in different parts of the body throughout the life. These stem cell can divide and differentiate into specific cell as the body needs them. Stem cells can regenerate damaged tissue under right conditions. Stem cells are present in skin cell and in liver, also help it to repair
after damage. Moreover, stem cells are present in bone marrow, differentiate to make different types of blood cells and immune cells. Stem cells help to grow our body, make new blood cells, heal cuts and wounds, repair damaged tissues. For example, when we get a cut on our skin, stem cells help the skin to heal. I hope you understood our model.
Thank you, mashallah, very good. Does it?
My name is Surya. Today I will explain my project on the desert habitat. Desert is a dry place with very little rainfall. Animals like camel, snake and lizard live in desert. Desert plants and animals are specially adapted to survive in hot and dry conditions.
Mashallah, mashallah. Very good.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam beta.
My name is Rida Yunus. I am from class 7. Today I will explain my project on a volcano. A volcano is an opening in the earth's surface. Hot lava, ash and gases come out during a volcanic eruption. Volcanoes are formed due to heat and pressure inside the earth. They can change the land and affect animals, plants and people. Thanks.
Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah.
Assalamualaikum. I am Adiha. I am Ruaiba.
And I'm Anisha.
I will explain energy generator. Energy generators are devices that produce electricity using natural sources like wind, sunlight or water. They help to generate power without using fuels like coal or petrol. They are also cost effective in the long run and this is pollution free too. The energy generators are important for saving energy for future generations. When I give motion to the system, the rotation starts immediately. This rotation directly drives the motor. As the motor rotates, it starts producing electricity as its own. The faster the motion, the brighter the LED glows. So energy is converted, not wasted. This is called energy generator because it works without fuel. This product connects basic physics with real life power generator. Thank you for visiting.
माशाल्लाह, very good. Good model बेटे. मैंने explain. जी, ये तो हो गया ना? मैंने explain किया तो नहीं? अच्छा, okay.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Dula Aram. I am from class 7. Today I will explain the range of molecules in solid, liquid and gas. In solid, molecules are tightly packed and stay of matter. Examples: house and bicycle. Liquid molecules are less tightly packed and can move around. In gaseous, molecules are far apart and move freely in all directions.
Mashallah.
Assalamualaikum. My name is
Salam.
Ishan Padma. Today I will explain the food pyramid. The food pyramid shows the different types of food. Different types of the food we should eat daily. Food at the between like fruit, vegetables and grains. Food at the bottom should the top of the should be eating less food, stay healthy.
I am Yusma. I am from class B6. Today I am going to explain the water cycle. Water cycle into vapor the evaporation. For clouds the condensation. And for clouds the condensation.
So how many phases are there?
Yes.
4 phases.
जी.
कितनी phases हैं इसमें बेटे? Water cycle में?
Clouds.
अच्छा,
From clouds and
ठीक,
Clouds
माशाल्लाह.
by
अच्छा बनाया आपने. Well done. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है. जी बेटे.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rima. I am from class 6. Today I will explain series circuit. In a series circuit, all components are connected in a single path. So if one bulb goes off, all go off. And series circuit is used in our toys. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह.
And my name is
तो toys में use करते हैं?
yes.
अच्छा.
And my name is Mahir. I am from class 6. Today I will explain parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, components are connected in separate paths. So if one bulb goes, the other still works. The parallel circuit is used in home lights. Both types of circuit are used in different electrical devices. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह, वेरी गुड. चीज गर्म करती है वाटर को. अगर आप ऊपर को ठंडी प्लेट रख दें, वो वाटर वापस जाएंगे और दोबारा क्या बन जाएंगे? पानी बन जाएंगे, वाटर बन जाएंगे, ऐसे ना? चले माशाल्लाह, बहुत अच्छे. वेल डन, शाबाश.
Assalamualaikum. This is me, Hadia Haris, and Assalamualaikum. This is me, Hadia Haris, and today I am here to talk about our project that name is Human Heart. So internally, the heart consists
Your
of 4
class,
chambers. 6 class.
6.
जी.
चलो शाबाश.
So internally, the heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atria, and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Thank you.
अच्छा. माशाल्लाह, अच्छा है, बहुत. प्लांट्स, जी बेटे.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
My name is Aisha Mirza. Today, I am from class 6. Today I will explain the parts of a plant. A plant has 4 main parts: root, stem, leaves, and flower. Roots
So what is? Just explain the roots.
Roots hold the plant in the soil and absorb water.
Acha.
The stem supports
And
the
the
plant.
plants and the leaves, bete?
Leaves make food. And,
Food?
and flowers help in reproduction.
Yes, of course. Very good. MashaAllah. Well done. Very good. Well.
My name is Ishan Malik. I am from class basis. Today I will explain the human skeleton. The human skeleton is the framework of bones in our body. It gives shape and support to our body and helps us move. The skeleton is also protecting important organs like the brain, heart, and lungs. Jazakallah.
Where is spinal cord? This one. So, skull.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ashita and I am from class 6. Today I will explain the arrangement of molecules in solid, liquid and gas.
Okay.
In solid, particles are tightly packed and stay in fixed positions. In liquid, particles are less tightly packed and can move around. In gases, molecules are far apart and can move freely in all directions. Thank you.
Sure. Abdullah.
My name is Zoya and I am from class 6. Today I will explain my project on water purification. It is a process of clean of dirty water. It removes germs, dust and harmful substances from water. Purified water is safe for drinking and helps keep us healthy. Thank you.
ये वाटर यहाँ से आ रहा है क्या यहाँ उसकी क्लीनिंग हो रही है क्लीन हो रहा है ये क्लीनिंग का प्रोसेस है अच्छा
My name is Musfira Bilal. Today we explain the solar oven.
क्लास बेटे
I am class 6.
6 चलो
A solar oven is a device that uses sunlight to cook food. It works to trapping the sunlight and inside the box, making the temperature high enough to cook. Solar oven are useful because they save fuel and are the good environment. Thank you. My name is Alima Shakov. I am from class 3-6. Today I will
आओ भी दिखाएंगे नहीं जल्दी
Today I will explain the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect happens when gases in the air trap the sun's heat around the earth. This keeps our planet warm, makes the life possible. But too much greenhouse effect can cause global warming and harm the
Greenhouse.
environment.
अच्छा माशाल्लाह बेटे
My name is Zainab Zohaib. I am from
आपका कौन सा मॉडल है अच्छा दैट चार्ट ओके बेटा थोड़ा स्पेस दो
My name is Zainab
फेस
Zohaib.
करो
My name is Zainab Zohaib. I am class from pre-6. My project name is water cycle. The process by which nature is water is called is cycled in water cycle. The step of water cycle: condensation, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection.
अच्छा माशाल्लाह वेरी गुड गुड़िया ने क्या किया दोनों ने आपका नाम है वेब से अच्छा माशाल्लाह वेरी गुड आपका है वायरस
Assalamu alaikum
सलाम
warahmatullahi
अब्दुल्ला
wabarakatuh. My name is Bashir Abdurrahman. Today I will explain what viruses are. Viruses are very tiny germs that cannot be seen without a microscope. They can cause disease like flu and common cold. Virus spread from one person to another through air, touch or coughing. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह
My name is Shiza. I am from class P6. Today I will explain rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the method of collection and storing rainwater. This water can be used for drinking, washing, and watering plants. It helps save water and reduces water shortage. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह वेरी
My name is Birab Zara.
My
name is Mohd Fatma. I am from class P6. Today I will explain the composition of air. Air is a mixture of different gases around us. It mainly contains nitrogen and oxygen, along with carbon dioxide and water vapors. Because living things breathe and survive. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह
So my name is Mirab Singh. I am from class 3-6. My project name is Traits of Matter. Today I will explain the arrangement of molecules in solid, liquid, and gas.
ओके
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aliza. Today I will explain my project on the animals. And animals are a basic unit of life in animals. It has different parts like nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane. Each part has a special function to keep all alive. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह वेरी गुड ओके
My name is Vishalama. Today I will explain the water cycle. The water cycle shows how water moves from the earth to the sky and back.
class
7th.
7 so is it in your book do you study this
जी
है
Yes.
मोटरसाइकिल 7 में भी है
नहीं
नहीं है So, अच्छा चलो बताओ.
Water changes into vapors and evaporation from clouds by condensation. Rainfall is precipitation and completes the water cycle.
Where are the clouds? फिलहाल.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Inari Shafiq and I'm from class 7. Today I will explain solar energy. Solar energy is the energy we get from the sun. We can use it in many ways, like heat, water, electricity, and in many ways. It is a clean and renewable energy source we get from that protects our environment. Thank you.
Okay. So do you have solar system in your home?
Solar energy.
आपके यहाँ लगा हुआ घर पे?
Yes.
उसी से आपने आइडिया लिया. माशाल्लाह. बहुत.
Today I will explain my project is 3D shapes. 3D shapes have length with height. 3D shapes have length with height. Example of 3D shapes. First cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, triangular, prism, cone, square, pyramid. These shapes are used in our daily life.
अच्छा माशाल्लाह. जी बेटा.
My name is Alma Harun. Today I will explain the sea habitat. The sea is a large water habitat where many plants and animals live. Fish, whale, dolphin and sea plant live in the sea. The sea habitat is important because it supports daily life. Thank you so much.
Why they are important?
And I am from class 6. Today I will explain simple circuit. Simple circuit has a battery, wires, a switch and a bulb. When switch is on, electricity flows through the wires. This makes the bulb lighter.
Hello, I am from class D6. Today I will explain the forest habitat. Forest is a large area full of trees, plants and animals. Animals like tigers, elephants and birds live in forests. Forests are important because they provide oxygen, food and shelter for animals and humans. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह. Very good.